In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address domain in Hostinger. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and log into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main control panel, because this is where you'll be able to manage your hosting services, domains, and email settings all in one place. If you have several services connected to your account, just stay calm and focus on the email section, since that's where this change is made. Next, click on the Emails section. This will open the area where Hostinger shows the email services connected to your account. Here, you should be able to see your existing email address or email accounts listed. This is the main place where you can review what domain your current email is using and access the available options for managing it. Once you're in this section and you can see your email, look for the option that allows you to edit or change it. If the platform gives you the ability to update the domain connected to that email address, this is where you can go ahead and make the change. Take your time here and double-check what you're selecting, especially if you have more than one domain connected to your Hostinger account. Choosing the correct domain is important, so your email address matches the website or brand you want to use. As you make the update, pay attention to how the new email address will appear. A small typo in the domain can cause confusion later, so it's always a good idea to review it carefully before confirming anything. If Hostinger shows a Save, Update, or Confirm button, use that to apply the change once you're satisfied. After that, give the system a moment to process the update. In some cases, changes to email settings can take a little time to fully apply, so don't worry if you don't see the final result instantly. It's also helpful to refresh the page and confirm that the updated domain is now displayed correctly in the Emails section. And that's it. That's how you change your email address domain in Hostinger. The key things to remember are to log into your account, open the Emails area, locate your current email, and update it carefully. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same process anytime you need to review or adjust your email setup inside Hostinger.